Want to fix couldn't set Samsung Wallet verification method? This video will show you the simple tricks to secure your mobile payments. Let's dive in. First things first, this error usually indicates a problem with your device's security settings, a temporary glitch, or issues with your Samsung account. Now, the most crucial fix is to ensure your Samsung phone's software is fully updated. Go to Settings greater than Software Update and install any pending updates. Outdated software can cause security conflicts. Next, ensure your Samsung account is properly linked and functioning. Go to Settings greater than Accounts and Backup greater than Accounts greater than Samsung account. Verify your account details and ensure it's syncing correctly. Try logging out and logging back into your Samsung account. You'll also want to clear the cache and data for Samsung Wallet or Samsung Pay and Samsung account. Go to Settings greater than Apps greater than Samsung Wallet Pay greater than Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Do the same for Samsung account. Restart your phone afterwards. Ensure your device's screen lock, PIN, pattern, fingerprint is correctly set up and working. Samsung Wallet relies heavily on a secure screen lock method. Finally, if the problem persists, try removing and re-adding your Samsung account from your phone. Settings greater than Accounts and Backup, greater than Accounts greater than Samsung account, greater than Remove account. Then re-add it. This can sometimes resolve deep-seated account sync issues. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.